Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.4. Till question number 10 we have already done in the last video, and today we are starting from question number 11 first part. 5x square plus 17xy minus 12y square. So first we have to see one variable x or y. Anyone we have to check, it should be in order x square, x and without x. After that multiply first and last with symbol. When you will multiply first and last with symbol, we are getting here minus 60 x square y square. Minus symbol will indicate we have to subtract the factor of 60 such that after subtraction plus 17 should come. So factors are here plus 20xy minus 3xy. Now this we can replace with the middle term 5x square plus 20xy minus 3xy minus 12y square. Now we will do the grouping. From the first two 5x we can take out common. Inside the bracket x plus 4y will be there, and from the last two minus 3y we can take out common, and inside the bracket x plus 4y. Now this x plus 4y we can take out common, and another bracket will be 5x minus 3y. Second part, in the same way we will do. We will see one variable x square, this is x and without x. Now first we will multiply first and last with symbol. Minus 48x square y square. We have to do the factor of 48 such that after subtraction 8 should come. So we can do here 12 4 ja 48, 12 minus 4 8 we will get. So minus 12 xy plus 4xy, because we need here minus 8xy. So symbol according to that we will keep. Now replace with the middle term x square y square minus 12xy plus 4xy minus 48. From the first two xy we can take out common. Inside the bracket xy minus 12. From the last two 4 we can take out common. Inside the bracket xy minus 12. Xy minus 12 we can take out common, and another bracket will be xy plus 4. 12th question first part. 2a square b square minus 7ab minus 30. It is already in order. We will multiply first and last. Minus 30 minus 60 a square b square. We have to do the factor of 60 such that after subtraction minus 7 should come. So factors are here minus 12ab plus 5ab. 12 minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7, and minus 12 into 5 is equal to minus 60. Now we have to replace with the middle term 2a square b square minus 12ab plus 5ab minus 30. From the first two 2ab we can take out common. Inside the bracket ab minus 6 will be there. From the last two 5 we can take out common. Inside the bracket ab minus 6 will be there. Now ab minus 6 we can take out common. Another bracket will be 2ab plus 5. For the second part, first we need to remove this bracket, multiply this a inside the bracket. 2a square minus 2ab, not 2ab, only ab, and minus b square. After that, see one variable a square, a and without a, any one we have to arrange. After that, multiply first and last with symbol. Minus 2a square b square. We have to do the factor of 2 such that after subtraction minus 1 should come. So factors will be minus 2ab plus ab. 2 into 1 will be 2, and minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1ab. Replace with middle term 2a square minus 2ab plus ab minus b square. From the first two 2a we can take out common. A minus b will be there inside the bracket. From the last two b we can take out common, a minus b will be inside the bracket. So a minus b take out common, another bracket 2a plus b. Next question number 13, first part, x minus y whole square minus 6x minus y plus 5. In this type of question, this whole bracket we have to treat as one variable, or for the some time we can replace it with some another variable. For example, we can write this whole bracket as a. Let x minus y is equal to a, then this equation and this expression will become a square minus 6a plus 5. Now we will do the factorization. Multiply first and last with symbol plus 5a square. Do the factor of 5 such that after addition minus 6 should come. So minus 5a minus 1a. 5 into 1 5, and minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6. Replace with the middle term, a square minus 5a minus a plus 5. From the first two a we can take out common, a minus 5 will be inside the bracket. From the last two minus 1 we can take out common, a minus 5 will be inside the bracket. So factors are a minus 5, a minus 1. At the last step, now again you can replace this a. A is x minus y. So it will become x minus y minus 5, x minus y minus 1. Second part also we will do in the same way. We will replace this bracket with a. Let 2x minus y is equal to a. Then this it will become a square minus 11a plus 28. Now multiply first and last plus 28a square. We have to do the factor of 28 such that after addition minus 11 should come. So minus 7a minus 4a. 7 4s are 28, and minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11. We will replace it with middle term, a square minus 7a minus 4a plus 28. From the first two a we can take out common, inside the bracket a minus 7. From the last two minus 4 we can take out common, a minus 7 will be inside the bracket. So a minus 7 and another bracket will be a minus 4. At last step we can replace this a, it is 2x minus y minus 7 and 2x minus y minus 4. Next question number 14, first part, we have to do in the same way. A minus 1 we will replace with x, then this will become 4x square minus 4x minus 3. Do the factor in the same way how we have done in the earlier questions. At last again this x you have to replace with a minus 1. Second part, 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 3a plus b whole square. So here first of all we will take here 2 common, and it will become 1 minus 2 a plus b minus 3a plus b whole square. Now this bracket we can replace. We can take let a plus b is equal to x. So our expression will become 1 minus 2x minus 3x square. Now we will do the factor, multiply first and last minus 3x square. Do the factor of 3, after subtraction 2 should come, minus 2 should come. So minus 3 plus 1. Replace it with middle term, 1 minus 3x plus 1x minus 3x square. Here nothing is common, means 1 we have to write, 1 minus 3x, and the second last 2 we have to take x as common, 1 minus 3x will be inside the bracket. So one bracket is 1 minus 3x, another one is 1 plus x. After this replace this x also, it is a plus b. So in place of x write a plus b. 1 minus 3 a plus b and 1 plus a plus b. This bracket also you can remove, 1 minus 3a minus 3b, and here 1 plus a plus b. Next question number 15 first part. This is similar to 14th second part. Same way you have to do. Take 5 common, it will become a plus b. After that this a plus b you have to replace as x, do the factors, and later on again replace this x at the last place. Now we will do the second part. A to the power 4 minus 11a square plus 10. So first we will change it into the quadratic expression. So we can write it as a square whole square minus 11a square plus 10. If we multiply first and last, we are getting plus 10a to the power 4. So we have to do the factor of plus 10 such that after addition minus 11 should come. So minus 10a square minus 1a square. 10 into 1 10, and minus 10 minus 1 will be minus 11. Replace with the middle term. From the first two, a square we can take out common, inside the bracket a square minus 10. From the last two, minus 1 is common, a square minus 10 will be inside the bracket. So our factors are a square minus 10 and another factor is a square minus 1. This one we can treat as 1 square. So a square minus 1 square. A square minus b square formula we can apply here. We can write it as a plus 1 and a minus 1. Next question number 16 first part. X plus 4 whole square minus 5xy minus 20y minus 6y square. So in these two middle term we can minus 5y we can take out common. It will become x plus 4 whole square minus 5y. If we take out common, x plus 4 will be inside the bracket minus 6y square. So for some time we will take let x plus 4 is equal to a. So our expression will become a square minus 5ay minus 6y square. Now do the factors. Multiply first and last, minus 6a square y square. Do the factor of minus 6 such that after subtraction minus 5 will come. Minus 6ay plus 1ay. Replace it with the middle term. A square minus 6ay plus ay minus 6y square. From the first two, a we can take out common, a minus 6y will be inside the bracket. From the last two, y we can take out common, a minus 6y will be inside the bracket. So factors will be a minus 6y, a plus y. Now replace this a. A is x plus 4. So x plus 4 minus 6y, and another bracket will be x plus 4 plus y. Second part of question number 16. X square minus 2x whole square minus 23x square minus 2x plus 120. So for some time we will take it as a. So let x square minus 2x is equal to a. So our expression will become a square minus 23a plus 120. First we will do the factor. Multiply first and last plus 120a square. We have to do the factor of 120 such that after addition minus 23 will come. So factors will be minus 15a minus 8a. 15 into 8 120, and minus 15 minus 8 will be minus 23. Replace it with middle term. A square minus 15a minus 8a plus 120. Here we can take a as common. A minus 15 will be inside the bracket. Here we can take minus 8 common. A minus 15 will be inside the bracket. So factors are a minus 15 and a minus 8. A we can replace now. A is x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 15, and x square minus 2x minus 8. Now you can see again we have trinomial. Again we can do here same factors. So take this bracket, minus 15x square. Do the factor of minus 15 such that after subtraction 2 should come. So 5 3 जा minus 5 plus 3. Replace it with middle term. X square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. Then here x we can take out common. X minus 5 will be inside the bracket. Here 3 we can take out common. X minus 5 will be inside the bracket. So factors are x minus 5 and x plus 3. This second bracket also we have to do in the same way. Multiply first and last minus 8x square. Factors of 8 will be 4 into 2 minus 4x plus 2x. Replace with middle term. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. From the first two x we can take out common. X minus 4 will be inside the bracket. From the last two 2 we can take out common. Now x minus 4 and another bracket will be x plus 2. So this is having 4 factor. Next 17th question. 4 2a minus 3 whole square minus 3 2a minus 3 a minus 1 minus 7 a minus 1 whole square. So here this first bracket we will take as x and this bracket we will take as y. So let 2a minus 3 is equal to x and a minus 1 is equal to y. Now it will change to 4x square minus 3xy minus 7y square. Now we will do the factor of it. Minus 28x square y square. 28 factors we have to do will be minus 7xy plus 4xy. Replace it with middle term. 4x square minus 7xy plus 4xy minus 7y square. So from the first two x we can take out common. 4x minus 7y will be inside. From the last two y we can take out common. 4x minus 7y will be inside the bracket. So factors will be 4x minus 7y, x plus y. Now again at last replace this x and y. So x is 4, 2a minus 3, y is a minus 1. Another bracket also 2a minus 3 plus a minus 1. Little more we can simplify it. Multiply inside 4 to 8a minus 12, 7a plus 7. Here 2a plus a will become 3a, minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4. 8a minus 7a, a minus 12 and plus 7 will be minus 5. So a minus 5, 3a minus 4. Question number 18. 2x square plus 5x, 2x square plus 5x minus 19 plus 84. So here this 2x plus 5x we will take as one term. We can replace it with y. So let 2x square plus 5x is equal to y. Now it will change to y into this again y minus 19 plus 84. Now multiply this y inside the bracket. Y square minus 19y plus 84. Now we will do the factor of it. Multiply first and last plus 84y square. Do the factor of 84 such that after addition minus 19 will come. So 12 7 ja 84. We can do factor minus 12y minus 7y. Y square minus 12y minus 7y plus 84. From the first two y we can take out common. Inside the bracket y minus 12. From the last two 7 we can take out common. Y minus 12 inside the bracket. So we have y minus 12 and y minus 7. Now again y we have to replace. It was 2x square plus 5x. So 2x square plus 5x minus 12 and 2x square plus 5x minus 7. Again this is a trinomial, this is a trinomial, again we can factorize it. So first bracket, if we do the factor, minus 24x square, factor of 24 will be 8 3 ja 8x minus 3x, we will get 5, replace with middle term, 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. From the first two, take 2 as common, 2x, then x plus 4. From the last two, take minus 3 as common, x plus 4 will be inside the bracket. So factors will be x plus 4 and 2x minus 3. Same way we will do this one, multiply first and last, minus 14x square, factor of 14 after subtraction 5 should cut, 7 2 ja 7x minus 2x. Now replace with middle term, 2x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 7. From the first two x we can take out common, 2x plus 7 will be inside the bracket. From the last two, minus 1 we can take out common, 2x plus 7 will be inside the bracket. So factors will be 2x plus 7 and x minus 1. This will be our answer. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Practice yourself also. Thank you for watching this video.